Hello America, and welcome to another meme page tutorial. Today I'm going to be giving another guide to getting followers on your Instagram meme page. So in the last video, I talked about how to get your first 100, the hardest task, and now I'm going to be telling you how to turn that 100 into 1,000. Now this is a important phase in your meme page's life. It's going to determine, are you just a spammy basic meme page, or are you going to build an actual following? So back in your first 100, the captions didn't really matter. The stuff you put out didn't really matter. But now you got to zero in on your own content. So just some really basic things first. Try to make original content if you can, depending on how much time you have. Put some personality into your captions. Like, don't make it boring, follow me, one-word stuff. Like, try to make it so the people who see your posts see that you have a personality. And this will make them more prone to commenting and liking on your posts. And as I said, back in the first 100, I said post as much as you can. But now that you're actually starting to get followers, I would say less than 10, maybe 5 to 9 good quality, good caption posts a day. And you're still using the hashtags like before, but instead of the like for like, follow for follow, all 30, because Instagram limits you to 30, all 30 of these hashtags should be that fits your niche the way you post. And I will have later on, I'll make a video how to use hashtags properly, because it's a weird system, but yeah, just make them relate to your posts for now. Now, as for the getting followers part, some of it will come from just posting and making good posts and stuff, but like another part of it is going to be from commenting. No, I am not saying to self-promote. Never self-promote. It will get your page destroyed. What I'm saying is follow a bunch of meme accounts that have probably from the 1,000 follower range to maybe 20,000 follower range, smaller pages that don't get too many comments on their posts, and just go ham. Whenever you see their posts, just comment something funny, comment something original, so people will click on your page. And this is why, back when I said it's important to have a good profile pic and name, so people will click on it. Yeah, just keep continually grinding, just commenting funny stuff on other people's posts. Try to get top comments as much as you can, and this will really start levitating people towards your page. And yeah, this will probably, if you keep doing this every day, the stuff I'm saying, you can probably get your page from 100 to 1,000 in maybe 2 months if you really work hard for it. And I'll tell you, when you hit that 1,000, when I hit 1,000 for the first time, it was probably the happiest day of my life. And again, just remember, try to have less posts than you do followers, especially as you start to get more followers. The next one I'm going to be covering, once you get your 1,000 followers, how you can just keep growing it to the point where you don't have to be like commenting a bunch to get followers.
Hey everybody, it's Editing Orange here, and I decided I'm just going to merge the two videos into one big two-parter because I didn't feel like uploading them separately. Okie dokie, here's the second part.
Now this is going to be kind of the third and final part of my very basic how to get your meme page famous on Instagram. So if you've watched my first two parts and you've done everything I said, your meme page should be at 1,000 followers right now. And you should be getting at least 100 likes on every post. If you're not, then you probably don't have great engaging followers, which is fine, but you got to be able to fix that. Basically, once you get 1,000, you're starting to become like an actual meme page, which is good, like the one people love and revere. Now this is really transformation time, because you can start getting more followers by doing less stuff. And what I mean, like I said, to get to 1,000 followers back in the last video, you have to, comment on a bunch of posts, be funny. You can start to not do that. And the key thing that's going to get you followers from this is the beautiful glory of sends. When someone sees your meme and sends it to a friend. Now, I could do a whole ass video on sends themselves, but let me basically put it this way. Here's how you get the most sends and the most followers from sends. Edgy, interesting new content, memes that aren't stale or old, and ideally edgier memes and videos get more sends than non. So basically, now at this point, you can kind of start getting followers just from posting. Now, what you want to do is maximize your posts. And what do I mean by that? good personality showing captions, high quality posts that are cropped nicely, posted nicely. When you get the post, put it on your story. Ask questions in the captions. Just overall, make your page look as professional as you can. Respond to comments. I'll get into a whole other video about comments alone. Basically, at some point, and this is the biggest transformation of your meme page's life, is when you're gonna make the switch from a public meme page to a private meme page. I made the switch at about 8-9K, but it's different for every page. Basically, what you wanna do is have your business tools on and then go look at the insights of every post and see how many, on average, how many sends it's getting. If you're getting up into the hundreds range for every post, then you're probably good to start going private, because when it's private, those sends will get you followers like a motherfucker. Like, oh my God. But yeah, I generally would say once you start getting near 10K is when I would make the switch to private. And honestly, this is a really transforming spot because you're starting, as you go beyond 1,000 followers, you're starting to become an actual meme page figure, which is great. But you got to set yourself apart from everyone else. You got to have your own identity, your own way of posting, and overall just make a name for yourself, you know? Don't be like every other account. One other big thing to remember is love your fans. Your fans are the whole reason your page is a thing. So if they leave comments saying they love you, say you love them back. Respond to your DMs, as many as you can. Respond to your comments if you can. Basically show that you are a man or woman of the community. Also, if you're a girl, make that known so you can get so many simps following you. That's a really good tactic. And yeah, I think that's going to finish out this general 3-parter of how to get your meme page up and beyond. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something from this. If your meme page is at this point, you're doing a really good job. Keep pushing, keep grinding, and maybe one day there's some money in store for you. Who knows? Remember, hard work beats everything else, okay? With that being said, I think I'm going to end this video here. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something. Goodbye, America. I love you all.